Hello everyone. Today let's talk about what to do when the camera does not work or respond after being connected to the power adapter.
Hi, Journey.
Hi, Ning.
My camera isn't working and I don't know what happened to it.
Oh, when you say not working, do you mean the camera does not power on after being plugged into a power source? Or does it mean the camera automatically restarts after being connected to a power source? Or does it mean the power adapter model does not match?
I'm not quite sure which case this is.
Did you buy your power adapter from us or did you make it yourself?
I used the power adapter for the spare mobile phone at home.
Okay, let's check whether the power adapter can work properly. Use the same USB data cable as the power adapter to connect your phone and see if it can power the phone normally. If it can't power on, replace another USB data cable and confirm whether it is the same data or the power adapter that is abnormal. Also, could you please provide us with a picture of the power adapter and a screenshot of the camera connected to it for confirmation? The power adapter supported by most of our products is 5 volts. Current is 1.5 amps. Power is 7.5 watts. Please refer to the photo below. There is another situation. That is, the Type-C interface is not actually inserted properly. Because some of our models adopt a waterproof interface design, it requires a certain amount of force to insert it steadily. Please see the video as shown. It needs to be inserted forcefully and you will hear car sound.
Okay, I see. I will try the elimination methods you suggested. Thank you very much.
Well, today's video ends here. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is helpful to you. See you in the next video.